Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This side Abdullah Sheikh from Tandomarkan district. Today I am going to present my presentation, which is on the classification of fungi. So before going towards the classification of fungi, we must know about the fungi. That what are the fungi? Fungi basically these are the neither animal nor plant. It means they are not classed into as animal or plant. They have their own kingdom from which they belong. They range from being just a single cell like yeast. It means they are maybe made up of a single cell, and even other species of fungi may cover hundreds of acres of land. Mostly fungi body made up of hyphae which form the mycelium. Fungi body is made up of hyphae. Hyphae is also known as body of fungi, so which is made up of a mycelium. Let's see the classification of fungi. Fungi are divided into 4 groups depending on their characteristics, which are these mentioned here: Phycomycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, Deuteromycota. So, Phycomycota produce phycomycetes, which are also called as lower fungi. Ascomycota produce ascomycetes, which are also called as sec fungi. Basidiomycota produce as basidiomycetes. These are known as club fungi. Deuteromycota may produce deuteromycetes. These are the fungi imperfecti. So here you can see the different types of examples which are written in this slide and mentioned, and you also see the picture of these different fungi which are mentioned here. Let's suppose Phycomycota includes Rhizopus, Ascomycota include Neurospora, Basidiomycota may include Agaricus, and Deuteromycota may include Fusarium. So now here you can see the growth of fungi, that how fungi grow in their position. So on the basis of sexual reproduction, kingdom Mycota or kingdom fungi are also divided into different phylum or different groups. So firstly, the groups are found in which is sexual reproduction not identified, and the other is a sexual reproduction identified. So when phylum Mycota is grouped into the fungi imperfecti, so in fungi imperfecti or Deuteromycota there is no any sexual reproduction identification, so this is separately placed. And other is the on the basis of sexual reproduction identification. So according to the sexual reproduction, there are two groups of fungi: Oomycota and Eumycota. Oomycota are the primitive fungi, Eumycota are the advanced fungi. In other words, we can say that Oomycota have a septate mycelium, Eumycota have mycelium a septate mycelium. So this is the major difference between Eumycota and Oomycota, that Oomycota have a septate mycelium and Eumycota have septate mycelium. So Oomycota further classified into two groups: Phycomycetes and Zygomycetes. Advanced fungi which are known as Eumycota are also classified further into two groups: Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. This is the growth of fungi into cup-shaped form. So this is the picture of cup-shaped fungi or club-shaped fungi, and along with this we move further the classification, old and modern classification of fungi. So according to the old classification, Carl Linnaeus, which are also known as the father of taxonomy, according to the Carl Linnaeus, fungi are the primitive plants and under the classification of organisms. So old classification includes different phylums, kingdoms. So there are the 5 kingdom systems here: kingdom Eukaryotic, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Eukaryotic includes all organisms with a nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Kingdom Protista organisms that do not fit into the other eukaryotic organisms. So other kingdom is the kingdom Fungi. They are very distinct and different from the other kingdoms. Kingdom Fungi is the only group of fungi which is very much different and diverse from all kingdoms. And kingdom Plantae, it includes all multicellular organisms which contain chlorophyll. Kingdom Animalia, it includes all multicellular organisms without chlorophyll. So these are the old classification. According to the modern classification, Patterson and Sogin in 1992, according to the Patterson, the new classification, there are 7 kingdoms are now recognized, which are mentioned on the next slide. So let's see here, according to the modern classification, at least 7 kingdoms are now recognized according to the Patterson and Sogin in 1992. Eubacteria, number 1, 2, Archibacteria, Animalia, Plantae, Eumycota, Strominella, and Protista, which include Protozoa and Protista. So there are different systems of classifying. Let's suppose system number 1 in 1860. According to this system, fungi are nor plant neither animals. Second system is there in 1947. According to this system includes the study of complex structural fungi characteristics. Third system is in 1969. Fungi have its own kingdom by Whittaker fungi, Robert Whittaker classification. Fourth system classification of is there in 1998. According to this system is proposed by or designed by Margulis and Schwartz, and in this system fungi are classified into 3 phyla. Let's suppose number 1 Zygomycota, number 2 Ascomycota, and Basidiomycota. So these are the Zygomycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota. These are the 3 phyla classified by the Margulis and Schwartz in 1998. These are the different systems of fungi. So here you can see the growth of fungi in different ways, that how fungi grow according to their mode of sexual reproduction and based on their morphological characteristics. So these are my contributors, and I am going to present my assignment to Dr. Dildar Hussain Kalora Sahab. Thank you very much.